Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own AI agent, a system that can think, plan, and take action without you doing anything. AI agents are the future of automation, and you can build one today without writing any code. So let's jump right in. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is a digital worker that can understand instructions, break tasks into steps, use tools, make decisions, run automatically. In simple terms, it's like having a smart assistant working for you 24/7. This is why businesses and creators are using AI agents for email automation, writing, research, data collection, customer support, social media posting, the tools you need. You can build an AI agent using free platforms like ChatGPT agents, MiniGPT agents, Flowise agent, GPT-Relevance AI. In this video, we'll use ChatGPT agents because it's the easiest and fastest. Create your AI agent. Step 1. Create a new agent. Open ChatGPT, go to Explore, click Create Agent. Step 2. Give your agent a purpose. Example, you are a research assistant. You collect information from multiple sources, summarize it, and produce a clean report. Step 3. Choose what tasks it can do. Enable capabilities. Heavy checkmark web browsing. Heavy checkmark file handling. Heavy checkmark long-term memory. Heavy checkmark code execution. Step 4. Add tools, if needed. Depending on the task, add tools like web search, document reader, email sender, spreadsheet manager. Step 5. Test your agent. Ask the agent. Find 5 trending AI tools and summarize them in a table. Watch how it plans, researches, and executes the task. Make the agent work automatically. To automate your agent, define a routine set, structured commands, use clear goals like every day at 6 p.m., summarize AI news. Create 3 social media posts about technology. Your AI agent can now run tasks with minimal human input. Real use cases. You can build agents for content automation agent, YouTube scripts, captions, thumbnails. Business automation agent, emails, CRM, clients follow-up. Student agent, study, summaries, homework help. Research agent, find and analyze information. These agents help you save time, get more done, and even make money. And that's how you build your own AI agent in less than 10 minutes. If you want a full playlist on AI automation for beginners, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.